Welcome to the Manage Children page. Here you can view your child's reservation and enrollment status. To begin the reservation process, click the Reserve button. Once you click Reserve, details about the reservation will appear on your screen. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the available payment options. You can either pay through Dragon Pay or make a direct bank deposit to Pace Academy's bank account. If you choose to deposit directly into the school's bank account, be sure to take a screenshot of the online transaction or a photo of the bank deposit slip. Then, upload the image on the same screen. Once you've uploaded the image, click Reserve to complete your transaction. Afterward, your child's reservation status will be updated. If you prefer Dragon Pay, select one of the available payment methods. A new tab will open. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment. Once done, you'll receive a confirmation email, and your child's reservation status will automatically update. Please note, using the Dragon Pay payment channel may include a minimal service charge. Thank you for using Pace Academy's online reservation system.